Yeah. Do you own any cloud account previously? Any free trial
Uh,
account?
yeah, but I haven't used it in a while. Like I think I created one in AWS, but I
Okay,
haven't used.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
So
no.
yeah, yeah. You can use another new email ID and new details so that you can create a new
Okay.
account. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, you can
yeah.
do that.
Just create a new account using some new
Uh,
email and new phone number.
okay, so okay, it's been a while, so you have to walk me through it.
Yeah, sure,
AWS.
sure, sure, sure. AWS console login.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, yeah, create account. Yes.
So
Your email ID and the account name.
okay, user email ID. So I'm gonna. So I used it in the past. So
No, 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 don't use previous email ID. Use some new
right,
email ID. Yeah.
right,
Which,
right, right.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and the
So
account name.
and then account name, I can call
So
it.
this email ID is already exist, right? Google account
No,
is
no,
created.
no, it
Sorry?
doesn't exist. It doesn't
No, no,
exist.
no, no, no. It should be created. Like first you have to create a Gmail, then you have to use that.
Oh, no, the
I'm
Gmail exists. Yes.
okay. Gmail exists, right? Okay, then fine. Yeah, account name. Give some account name.
Oh, oh, can you tell the trainer to record this session?
Yeah, it's recording already.
It's already recording? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Really? I don't see oh yeah, yeah, it's recording. Yeah. Okay, wonderful. Okay. All right. So now account name, I can call it anything I want.
Yeah, yeah, anything. You give your name if you want. Your
Okay.
choice.
So what is this thing? It's what is it? Let me see. Sorry, just bear with me for 1 second. Uh, so let's study. Let me study Daniel.
Okay.
So let me do this. Let me study Daniel. Uh,
Yeah, wait
so
for your email address.
just bear with me. I'm gonna put all this in a notepad so I don't forget.
No, once you create everything, will be in the dashboard, so no need to copy anything.
All right. So verify email. Um, so F, E, yeah.
Yeah, D. Yeah.
Please type the numbers you hear. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. So let me get the code. Just bear with me. I can get it from my phone. So now I'm gonna create a password. Just bear with me. Okay. Continue. Is publicly known. Okay, let's see. This one.
Oh my God, I think somewhere your password got exposed. You see, it's giving it
Okay.
was leaked from a third party.
Okay. All right. So let me see if I can find something better. Uh,
If it's your regular password, I suggest you to change everywhere because the data is already in public.
so let me say the So I think close
Yeah, you can
this.
select personal.
So all this can be. So
Yeah,
this is the way to recover. Maybe I can just put my number here.
yeah,
Uh,
and
no, I think the email is fine. So agree.
yeah.
So
So you do one thing. Just click on personal.
a personal for your own
Yeah,
project. Oh,
yeah. Then you can fill the details and just create the account. That's it.
do I? Is he gonna let me? Do I have to provide everything?
Yeah, yeah. You
Let's say.
have to provide. Yeah. No, no, no. All are mandatory only. If you don't provide, it will throw an error
Okay.
because you will get an OTP over the mobile number. So it's mandatory. You can put address just like your country name and some city name. No need to give exact details. You just give normal.
Say that again.
Yeah, you can just give some city name and the country name. That's it. No need to give the exact details.
Oh, the exact detail, right?
Yeah, or
Oh,
copy the same thing everywhere. That's also fine.
okay. 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 So CT, NV, so it's not
Yeah, you
required.
have to give some debit card. You have any debit card?
Yeah, I'm about to put it right now.
Yeah, it will debit 2 rupees. Sorry, in your case, $1 something. It will be refunded in 2 days. Yeah, you can read there the information tab. So it's generally free trial. Like if you cross the limit, then only you will get the bills. But there is no chance we are going to cross the limit because we are only going to use one VM. So you can use 25 hours per day, but we have only 24 hours. So no chance of any billing.
And then it's for uh how many months?
12 months is the free trial.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. So 1 year.
Oh, so, so, 1, 8, GN, so, 60, so, confirm your identity with private code. So I'm still waiting for another email, right? Uh, I should be getting another email.
Yeah. Sorry.
Uh,
Yeah, you are on the
what?
last step.
Uh, this one, oh, this is just 87, 80.
Yeah. First one, basic support free.
Oh, okay. Basic, this one, right?
Yeah, correct. So you are using Windows as a base machine. I can see that. So
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, complete the sign up. One more software you need to download. It's very easy, 1 minute. Yeah, go to Amazon, AWS Amazon console. Click on, yeah, just cancel this.
Sorry, just 1 second.
It's just giving you some suggestions.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So what is it that you want me to do? To close this, right?
yeah.
So,
Close this
uh-huh.
and yeah, go to AWS Management Console.
Okay.
So now you are in the AWS Management Console. So here we can use anything, like we can use any kind of services like virtual machines, storages, okay, databases, any kind of service we can use from the AWS. So for learning bash script, our main thing is to learn I mean to use a operating system. So in the search bar, just type virtual machine. No, you can virtual machine, VM, yes, anyhow. So when you type VM, right, you can see some services called EC2. You can see in the features down to the feature
Yes.
instances. Okay, so this is what called EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. So in AWS, the service name which gives virtual machines for rent is called EC2. So we are going to use EC2 to start our job and everything. But before that, we need one more software. Yeah, can you open a new tab in Google? Yeah. Do you have Git Bash in your machine already? Git Bash. Type Git Bash in your search bar in your Windows.
This is my work computer.
Okay.
Uh,
I mean, most probably Git Bash will be available. Just type. If you don't have, we can download that. Just type Git Bash. GAT. Yeah, it's there. Open it. See, this is the software. So if you want to know how you already have it in your machine fulfilled. Yeah, you
yeah.
just type ls. Yeah, so you have everything. So my main motive is, Daniel, I don't want anything you to do in your office laptop or base machine. You see, whatever the, can you maximize the screen?
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, zoom it little bit. Just use the mouse scroll button, control mouse scroll button, control
Control.
wheel, mouse wheel up and down.
Say that again.
Control plus. You can use control plus just to
Control plus.
maximize. Yeah, maximize this. Yeah, yeah. It's little better now. Okay. So just type control L. Control L. I mean clear. Yeah. So whatever you are seeing now is your Windows base machine, correct?
Yes.
So I don't want anything you to do here, because when you're learning, there is a chance accidentally you can delete some files or you can do something. That's why we are
Oh,
not
okay.
going to use this. What we are going to do, we create a virtual machine in AWS EC2 and we connect
Okay.
to that machine from here, and
Oh,
whatever you do will work in that VM. So even accidentally if you do something, you can delete that VM and you can recreate a new VM. So there is no chance of doing any misuse in your base machine, and your base machine is safe. That's the main
okay.
motive. I want you to create the AWS account. Actually you can do
Oh,
here also, but little risky. So once you get professional and once you are good, then you can come here and you can do without AWS also.
oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now let's launch a VM today. Let's see how to connect to the VM. And tomorrow onwards, we can start the actual like the commands and the scripts, etc.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay, but if you want me to, I don't have to use my work computer. I can use my personal computer as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
See, if you
I'm
want to
flexible.
use, yeah, if you want to use your personal computer also, you just sign up. to the AWS account using your personal computer, and you can use the same VM. That's also fine. But
Oh, okay, okay.
but
Yeah. No,
work,
I was just referring based on this app,
yeah.
this application.
But
So
even I'm telling you, even if you do in this mission also, you're just using the screen and keyboard. That's it. The entire
okay,
work is going to work in the
gotcha.
VM only.
Yes, okay, gotcha. That
Yeah.
makes sense.
Now type EC2. EC2. Yeah. Type EC2. Yeah. Open the EC2 service. So this is the dashboard you see of the EC2 service. Yeah. Now click on the launch instance. Okay. Type dashboard. Type view dashboard. So that every time, yeah, anything is fine. Next time when you go, it will come from dashboard itself. Okay. So whatever the screen you're seeing, it's just a template. Like you have to fill, like when you go to supermarket or any fancy store, right?
Yeah.
You just collect everything what you need, right? Like two Coke tins, two chips packets. Similarly, you're buying a virtual machine of your choice. Okay,
Okay.
let's do it from the top. So first give some name of your machine. You can give some name like Linux, Linux VM, anything. Yes, VM. Okay. Now this is the first step. Next, second thing, you have to choose the operating system, which operating system you want. Okay. Select Ubuntu. So when you want to learn Linux, Ubuntu is best option, like user friendly. And once you know Ubuntu, you can easily work on any Linux operating system. Yeah. Click on Ubuntu. Yeah. Now if you scroll down, you see there are Amazon machine images, AMI. You can see the drop down. Okay.
Yeah.
There are multiple versions are there, like our Windows 11, 10, XP, Windows 7. We have Ubuntu types. You can click on the drop down and you can see all the versions. No, no, up AMI. You see all are Ubuntu versions, but 24 is the latest version, and you see there is a tag free tier eligible. Yeah, which means it's free to use. No charges will be applied. Yeah, select that.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, just select that. Click on that or click anywhere. Yeah, now scroll down. You see type of the instance. T2 micro is free. If you click on the drop down, you can see multiple types. If you go to higher type, the CPU and the RAM will be increased and it will be chargeable. But we take T2 micro, which comes with one CPU and one memory default, which is completely free. Yeah, we can go with the default one, T2 micro. For training,
Okay.
this is completely fine. But in real time, when people are working, they go with the higher ones like M1, C1. Like we are going with the T series T2 micro. Yeah, select that T2 micro. Yeah. Now key. So what is key? Let's say you have your home, right? No one can access your home until they have a key. So it's your VM. So you need a key to unlock the VM, because if there is no security, anyone can connect to your VM, right? So we are generating a key such that you only can open the VM and you only can access the VM. Yeah, create a new key pair.
Okay. So, should I give it a name?
No, no, no. When you click on create new pair, it will give you the
Oh,
list to provide all the
oh,
details. Yeah,
okay.
now give some name, Linux VM something. Yeah, try to use small letters for the key names. I mean, all small. Why? Because it's easy for you to type in the command prompt. No, you are using caps, uppercase. Yeah, use lowercase. Linux VM. Yeah. Now, yeah, create key pair. Click on create key pair. If you when you click on create key pair, yeah, you see there is a private key download into your system. You can see on the top, linux-vm.pem. Okay, no need to
Yes.
open that. That's the key. Okay, You anyone have that key, they can access your machine. Okay, so keep it safe with you. Okay, now scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. These are all default. You can yeah. Now click on launch instance. On the right, you see launch instance.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
So what we gave, just the VM name. We have selected the operating system type, and we have created a key pair. So it's easy peasy, right? You can do again
Ye-
if you want, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Click on the instance ID. Yeah. So the VM is just launched, so it's provisioning. Uh, see, you see on the right top, United States, Ohio.
Yes.
So this VM is running in Ohio region.
Okay.
Okay, so whatever you do, the any command, any script you run, it is securely running in some virtual machine which is in Ohio AWS server.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, yeah, it's initializing. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. You can just refresh to see the status checks 2 by 2 passed. Yeah, just click on refresh. Yeah. So this is how you can launch any virtual machine in AWS, and you can
Okay.
connect from your base machine. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever you see on the screen now is called GUI, graphical user interface. So
Okay.
but if you want to learn CLI, command line interface, if you want anything, just hit a command.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can refresh here itself on not the direct entire tab. In the AWS
Okay.
EC2 section, you can see some refresh button.
Yeah, what? Okay.
Yeah, here, yeah, 2 by 2 checks passed. You can see their refresh button last
Oh.
updated last. Yeah, so refresh until you get the connect button accessible. Yeah, just refresh in some time interval, you'll get it.
Okay.
Okay, now click on the VM ID. Click on the VM ID.
The VM.
Yeah, VM ID. You see VM ID, yes, instance ID.
Okay. So it's not ready yet, but I should go ahead
No,
and click on it.
no, yeah, I think if you select the drop,
Okay. Hello. 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 Hey, can you hear me?
yeah, yeah, click on connect button.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Connect.
Yes. So now go to SSH client tab. SSH client tab.
Okay.
Copy the command, example command.
Example command. Okay.
Yeah, down. You can see the copy button is there. You can just click on that.
Okay. Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
Now, yeah. Now open the Git bash. So here, now type cd space downloads. No, cd space downloads, because our key got downloaded into downloads folder, right? So I want you to go to the downloads folder. Downloads. Yes. Cd space downloads. Yeah. Enter. Now you're in the downloads folder. If you type ls, yeah, you can see the key. It's some pem file, pem. You can scroll. Yeah, you can type. Okay, type this grep pem also. Yeah, yeah, it's there, right, in the download folder.
Yeah.
Yeah, now copy the command, paste the command which you have copied in the AWS. So if you see ssh-i, you are using the key linux vm.pem, which is already in your machine.
Okay.
Okay, and you're connecting to the instance ID. Yeah, hit enter. Now type yes, enter. Now if you see, you're in the Ubuntu operating system. Earlier you see you are in Windows operating system. How to identify that? Using the prompt. You see, in Windows you can see in the green letters DBLESSIN 7410 on the screen, you see, right?
Say that one more time.
No. Yeah, I mean, on the above you see the prompt of your Windows
Yeah.
operating system DLSSIN.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes. Yeah.
yeah. So when you see that, you are in a Windows operating system. When you see
Right.
Ubuntu at the rate of some IP address, it means you are in Ubuntu operating system. Now, whatever
Okay.
the command you hit, it is running in Ohio VM.
Okay.
Yeah. Now clear
Right.
the screen. Just clear the screen. Yeah. So type ls. See, no files. Right, because it's a fresh VM. You can do anything here. You can learn bash, you can learn Linux, you can run scripts, you can delete the VM. Whatever you do, nothing affects your base machine, which is your Windows operating system.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Now type exit. When you type exit, you'll come back to your Windows operating system, and when you use that command again, you go to Linux operating system.
Okay.
But the key thing is you should be in the downloads folder.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, enter, hit enter. Yeah, you're in Ubuntu operating system. How you can identify you are in Ubuntu operating system or not?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
Yeah, how you can identify you are in Ubuntu operating system or not? Using the
Well, it
prompt.
says
Yeah, correct. Or type who am I? The command who am I? Am I? This will give you Ubuntu, which means you are in the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, yeah,
Yep.
ID. Okay, wonderful. So, yeah, this is the setup. Now, if you go back to AWS, yeah, open the click on the instance ID, or you can come from beginning. Type EC2 in the search bar. You can come from scratch again. It's your
Oh,
choice.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the dashboard. Okay. So AWS
Okay.
gives you a virtual machine for 750 hours per month. Can you open a calculator?
You say it's how many per month?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Can you open calculator?
Calculator. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So type 750. So AWS gives you 750 hours free per month. Okay. So divide
Okay.
it by 30, which means 25. So 25 hours per day you can use it. So you can
Oh.
ask me, we have only 24 hours, which means for one VM, if you are using and if you are not stopping it, if you are not deleting it, you are under the free tier. But let's say you are using two VMs, which means
Mhm.
you will cross 750 hours, right? If you don't maintain it well. Understood?
Yes.
So you are using one VM, so no need to stop. You can just leave it like that because 25 hours free per day, so it's under free tier. But if you really want to stop or if you really want to use multiple VMs, there you go. Cancel the calculator. You see instance state, right side top.
Yeah.
Instance state. No, instance state right side, drop down. Completely right top. Right side. You're going to left.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah. You can see instance state. It started. Yeah. Click on the drop down. Here you can stop and you can delete the instance. This is where.
Okay.
If you stop, the hours won't be count. When you start, the hours starts counting. But if you are using only one VM, then no need to stop because you are under the free tier. 750 hours means you are under the free tier. Okay, just explaining you about the usage.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to stop, you can go ahead. If you want to leave it, it's no problem. It's up to you.
Okay.
Okay. Like whenever you want to start, you can just start it again, and you have to go to connect button, copy the command, because every time you stop and start, public IP will public IP will change. You see the public IP address, right? IPv4.
Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
IP address will change every time. And I just wanted to ask you one thing. Are you going to
Yes.
use this VM in multiple locations? Like in
Multiple.
office, I mean in your office, in your home, like that, or in a fixed location you are learning this course?
Oh, no, no. Fixed location. Fixed location.
Okay, why I'm asking, because currently this VM is configured with your IP address, your Wi-Fi router IP address. When you
Okay.
go to somewhere, you have to add that IP address too, or else it won't work. That's why. Security.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Okay, yeah. So just explaining you these things. But when we deploy websites, right, anyhow we have to change some security settings. You see the security option down, we have to edit the security options. So at that
Yes.
time I'll explain you, but for now you just leave it like this. So tomorrow, I think, just asking you, are you good with basic commands like Linux file operations like mkdir, cd, uh, ls, these commands, or do you want me to iterate it again once again?
So it wouldn't hurt to go over them. And then if there's something that I know, I'll just let you know that this is fine. But
Yeah,
yeah, so like meaning that we will be spending time on it, but we will not be spending too much time on it. Like I'm not
yeah.
a Linux expert, so any new command that I can learn, I'm always open to it.
Sure. Yeah, that's a great thing. So then we can go from the scratch. If you know it, again, it will be like a revision for you. So yeah,
Okay.
we can. I'll plan. I think they shared you the course content, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I'll go according to that. So I have also added one more thing called cron tab yesterday. Cron tab. Did you heard anything about cron tab?
Yeah, I've used Contact before, yes.
Okay, okay. So when I mean in shell scripting, I mean, bash scripting means we call it as shell scripting also. Two names, but same tool.
Huh?
So whenever we complete all the scripting part, we are going to automate the scripts using cron tab.
Okay.
Yeah. So to make it user friendly for you for learning, we are not only just learning skeletons, we're actually deploying a website. Like, let's take something as an example, like deploying a website, and I'll show you how many ways we can do that. Like using conditions, using loops, using basic structure, so that you'll understand, okay, the same code, the same example, how many ways you can do. Got it, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, and yeah, I think we are done with the prerequisite part. And any questions still here, Daniel? You can go
No,
ahead and
everything,
ask it.
no, no, everything was clear. Everything was clear.
Yeah, clear, right? So
Yes.
timings, are you comfortable? Any other timing, Daniel? Morning times, any morning times, or morning
So,
times, your
uh,
evening?
so I would say this works best for me.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, because
Yeah,
like
why?
I,
Because currently
yeah,
I'm doing this session in office hours only. So I
okay.
don't think every day, maybe if they schedule any ad hoc meeting, so it will be little tough for me. So I'm just asking, any other time works for you, like your evening times. Even if it late night also, that's fine for me. Late night or evening, anything, anytime.
Um, yeah, because um, the e- so let me ask you this question,
Yeah,
just that we can meet in the middle.
yeah,
Uh, what about like instead of because the I don't know if you talk to the folks, but the
yeah,
plan
yeah.
is to have 3 sessions
Hmm.
a week, right?
Hmm.
So we can add 1 session on the weekend, right?
Hmm.
And No. What I meant is that instead of having three sessions during the
Hmm.
week, we can
Hmm.
have two sessions during the week and one on the weekend. Would that be better for you?
Weekends, I won't be available, Daniel, mostly.
Okay.
So yeah, and why only 3 sessions per week, Daniel? Any big thing? Any concerns you have?
Well, no concern. It's just like I need to have because I have a regular job that I do, like
Okay,
which the DBA stuff, and it can be time consuming. So whatever
okay,
you teach me, right, I have to be able to practice it, right?
okay,
So
okay. Yeah, I completely understand.
yeah, so like if I'm learning but I'm not studying, I'm not practicing, you know, yeah. I mean, we can do more session, right? But yeah.
Practice and all. Yeah, I'll plan. Or
Hello?
else, what we can do, one thing like we can do it slow also. Yeah, 3 days per week is also fine for me. Uh, so we can do like this because Monday, if you have Monday class, you can practice it on Tuesday. That works fine. If you have
Okay.
Wednesday class, you can practice it on. So what I'm trying to say, Wednesday, Thursday, we can take slow sessions, and Friday you can practice because some topics are related. If you
Yeah.
will have gap, you may miss it. So what I'm trying to say, Monday we have a session. Okay,
Okay.
Wednesday and Thursday we have a session. Monday,
Okay.
Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday and Friday you can use for practice.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good to me.
Yeah, because it's better if we have concurrent sessions, at least in Wednesday and Thursday, we can clear some concepts.
Yes. Okay.
And timings, any other timings works for you, Daniel? Evening time for you? Evening.
The issue with the evening time is that sometimes I'm on call. So when I'm on call, I work until late. So I may not be available.
No,
Like
no, no. I understand that. That is what I'm saying. Even if it's your late night, also works for me because it's my morning, right? So
right, but like meaning that this is what I'm saying. Like my late may be very hard for me because when I'm on call,
hmm,
like yeah, it's very difficult for me to meaning that I'm still working basically, and I may not be able to finish on time, and we don't
okay.
want to be canceling session.
Okay. Okay, then do like this. Uh, okay, I'll do on your comfortable timing only, like this time only. But if we have any conflict, we can adjust for that day, right? If it both works for us.
Yes, 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 absolutely, absolutely, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. I'll inform them prior so that you can
Yeah.
tell me another time we can schedule. But session we are not going to stop. Only thing is we are just rescheduling it in another time in the same day. Both
Okay.
comfortable time. That works for you, correct?
Yes, yes, yes. That
Okay.
that that really works for me. Yes.
Yeah. So today is Wednesday. So tomorrow
Uh-huh.
is Thursday. So we complete few concepts, and yeah, as you said, we can meet on Monday again, like as per your comfortableness.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
and
Or if you
yeah.
want me to take this week more sessions also, yeah, I'm comfortably fine. I can take Friday
Oh,
also. It's up to you.
okay. So let me do this. Let me just quickly take a look at my schedule. Yeah, we could do more session this week. I
Yeah.
have no problem with that.
Yeah.
Let me just quickly just take a look at the schedule. Like I'm
Yeah.
looking at my work schedule. That's why I was on my work computer.
Yeah. Sure. 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 That works. Even I'm keeping my work computer just beside me.
Yes. Uh, Just bear with me just for 1 second. It will be quick. I just want to take a look at how late I'll be working this week. And this week actually should be actually great, to be honest. Let's see.
You are sharing your screen. Is that okay for you?
Oh, am I sharing?
Yeah, you are sharing.
Oh, okay, okay,
Uh,
okay.
yeah, just stop
No,
your screen share. It's
no,
enough.
it's okay. Uh, I don't think I'm sharing anymore.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I'm sharing, but I'm sharing something else.
Okay, okay, okay. Understood.
Okay, so okay, so I just need to take a look at my schedule this week. Okay. Uh, uh, so let's see for the week. I'm not on call this week. Okay, let me just take a look at just one last thing. Uh, my uh, late shift. Let's see, late shift. Almost done. Almost done. Uh, so okay. So here's the deal. So
Yeah.
this week we can do actually almost every day. Uh, this week.
Yeah. Then this week we can do tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. And from
Uh-huh.
the next week, we can plan like what we have discussed, like Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you said a weekend does not work for you at all, like any time at all.
Yeah. But
Because,
but this
but
week, if it works for me, I'll let you know on Friday only.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because if you want,
Yeah.
for this weekend, we
Hmm.
can do it like first thing your morning time, like India time. We could do it like early in the morning India time,
Hmm.
which will be late my time, which I'm flexible on it. We can do Saturday, Sunday, like whichever works for you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'll check my schedule, Daniel, because I'll be mostly attending to some workshops on weekends.
Okay.
You know,
Okay. Okay.
meetup.com.
Say that
Uh,
again.
yeah, meetup.com. There is a place where the tech people will meet on weekends.
Oh, okay. 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 Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So,
okay. So yeah.
yeah. Okay,
Uh,
then fine. This week we can do Thursday and Friday. From the next week, we can plan on what we have discussed. So I'll be
okay.
doing the sessions on your comfortable time only. If we have any
Okay.
conflict, we can just adjust the scheduled time on the same day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds.
Yeah. So just try creating one more VM and delete it just for your confidence.
Okay.
Whatever you have done today, you delete the instance what you have created now, and you can create one more instance. Okay. Use different key, not the same key. Okay. Create
Okay.
new key with different name. Okay. Different name.
Okay.
Yeah. And try doing this stuff. Once you feel confident, which means you can use multiple VMs. That's it. It's not in the
Okay.
concept, but I'm just telling you to gain some confidence for you.
Okay, gotcha, gotcha. Yeah, because the purpose of me learning Bash is that at my job we use Ansible
Okay,
to launch jobs, right?
okay,
So those jobs are written in Bash.
okay,
So I have to
okay,
be able to write them myself,
okay.
right? And
Got
then
it.
be able to launch them. Yes.
Yeah, understood. I mean, in the
Yeah.
Ansible scripting, you in the playbooks, you are just inserting the scripts, bash
That's
scripts.
right. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, understood. Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. Yeah, okay. I think it can fulfill your requirement. Yeah, okay then. See you tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can just bring it up now.
Okay, no question. Everything was clear. Great session. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Daniel.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. So, you also teach Linux, right?
Yeah, yeah. See, first we start. See, I gave you course content, right? I go as per
Yeah,
that only.
yeah. So I read everything, like the essential, but like, how advanced Linux do you teach?
Linux.
This is just from my own knowledge, right?
Yeah, see, if you want to learn Bash, right, there are few prerequisites. For example, in the Bash script, you need to fetch something and you need to use that as a variable. So you need to learn filters and redirections. So whatever the Linux concepts we are learning, we are going to use it inside the Bash script. So only those
Okay.
concepts and the main Linux part I have added in the course content. For example, let's say
Okay.
volumes and other stuff that is not needed in Bash. So that I did not include it in the script because it gonna
Okay.
take 1 month only for Linux if we add all the volumes, user group management. Because nowadays people are using cloud platforms. They are managing everything in the Active Directory and everything in the cloud. They are no one are using local machines for managing user group, right?
Right.
So why to learn it if you are if it's not in the real time world?
Yeah. Yeah. That's a good point.
So
That's a
yeah,
very,
yeah,
very good point.
yeah.